Blueberries are one of the most delicious and healthy fruits, making them a popular choice. If you have blueberries in your fridge, you will want to know how to tell if blueberries are bad. To keep them fresh for as long as possible, it is important to properly store them. Blueberries not only taste great on their own, but also in muffins, bread, cakes, pies, pancakes, and cheesecakes. Though their peak season is in summer, you will likely be able to find them year-round in the grocery store. However, once you buy them, you only have a limited time to eat them while they are still fresh. How long do blueberries last? How long are blueberries good for depends greatly on how they are stored. Blueberries are highly perishable, so they will generally only last 7 to 14 days in the fridge. They can be kept at room temperature on the counter for 1 day. However, any longer than that and they will begin to go bad. They are sensitive to temperature, so avoid keeping them on your counter if your house is warm. How to tell if a blueberry is bad? There are many different ways to tell if your blueberries have gone bad. If your blueberries are mushy, soft, or discolored, it is best to just toss them out. If there is any mold on them, if they are slimy or have an off smell or taste, you will want to get rid of them. Remove any moldy blueberries from the container as soon as you see them, as the mold can spread quickly. In addition, if you notice that your blueberries are leaking juices, it may be a sign that they are going bad, so it is best to just get rid of them. How to properly store them? It is vital that you properly store blueberries to keep them fresh for as long as possible. Store your blueberries in the fridge so they are in a cool environment away from heat and humidity. Though you can keep them in the container they came in, you can also store them in a plastic container with ventilation or a produce bag. Having a container with ventilation as air circulation will help keep them fresh. In addition, adding a paper towel to the container can help absorb any excess moisture. You can store them in an airtight plastic or glass container, but it is best to have some air holes in the container. Avoid storing them in metal containers as this may affect their flavor. You will want to avoid storing them in the crisper or the coldest part of the fridge, as the humidity levels are higher in these areas. Before storing them, be sure to check for any bad berries to prevent contamination. Though it is important to wash your fruit before eating it, wait to wash it until you are ready to eat it. Too much moisture can cause your blueberries to go bad quickly. Moisture can cause bacteria and mold to grow on your blueberries, especially if there isn't enough air circulation. Can you freeze blueberries? Freezing blueberries is a great way to store them if you won't be able to eat them all before they go bad or want to have them on hand all year round. They can last for 6 to 8 months in the freezer when properly stored. They freeze well and can be eaten as a snack or added to different foods. Before you freeze them, wash them with cold water and then pat them dry with a paper towel. It is important to thoroughly dry them off. To freeze your blueberries, place them in a single layer on a baking tray and then place that tray in the fridge. Allow the berries to freeze for 2 hours and then remove the berries from the fridge. Place them in a Ziploc bag or an airtight container and return them to the freezer. For some recipes, such as smoothies or milkshakes, you can add the blueberries in while they are still frozen. You can also eat frozen blueberries as a snack or let them thaw at room temperature for half an hour to an hour. Health benefits. Blueberries are a low-calorie food that is packed full of beneficial nutrients. These delicious berries contain lots of fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese. Blueberries are also one of the best food to get antioxidants from. They have the highest antioxidant levels of all commonly grown fruits and vegetables. They are even able to help lower blood pressure, prevent heart disease, maintain brain function, improve memory, and potentially protect against aging and cancer. Tips and tricks. Though blueberries are one of the most popular and healthy fruit, they do not have a long shelf life. If you notice that they are moldy, mushy, soft, discolored, or have an off taste or smell, you will want to throw them away. Be sure to check your blueberries as soon as you buy them and remove any bad berries to prevent contamination of the good ones. To keep your blueberries as fresh as possible for the longest, store them in the fridge in a container with small air holes to allow for ventilation. In addition, putting a paper towel in the container can help absorb moisture. Be sure to wait to wash them until right before you plan to eat them or bake with them. Do you have any questions regarding how to tell if blueberries are bad? If so, please ask any questions regarding the freshness of blueberries and how to properly store them in the comment section below. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.